Alright guys, you have already seen the unbox video of Vivo Y16. So guys, we will now talk about its specifications. So let's begin. Okay guys, its announced date is 1 September 2022 and it's now available, and its release date also 1 September 2022, and its per dimensions is 164 into 75.6 into 8.2 mm, and its weight is 184 gram, and its display type is IPS LCD. Display size is 6.51 inches. And its display resolution is 720 into 1600 pixels, and its operating system is Android 12. Processor is MediaTek MT 6765 Helio P35, and its CPU is octa-core, and GPU is PowerVR GE8320, and its card slot is microSD XC dedicated slot, and its internal storage is 32 GB, 64 GB and 128 GB. RAM is 3 GB and 4 GB. Front camera is 5 megapixel wide. Back camera is 13 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel macro, and its feature is LED flashlight, and its video resolution is 1080p in 30 fps, and its battery capacity is 5000 mAh, and its Bluetooth is 5.0, and its battery charging is 10-watt wire charger, and its colors are drizzling gold and stellar black, and its models are V2204 and V2214, and its price in India is 9,999 rupees, and it has 3.5 mm jack port also, and it has also loudspeaker too, and its sensor is fingerprint, which is side mounted fingerprint. For the internal storage, 64 GB and 4 GB RAM, its price is 12,499 rupees in Amazon affiliate, and its refresh rate is 60 Hz. It's little slower, so company should be change this 60 Hz into 90 Hz or 120 Hz, because for 2023 it's not correct for giving 60 Hz instead of 90 Hz or 120 Hz. So company should clear this one. Vivo Y16 design and walk around. For the design, the Vivo Y16 comes in a polycarbonate body and frame with a glass-like texture. I like this kind of finish. The Vivo Y16 is available in two colors, drizzling gold and stellar black. My unit comes in drizzling gold color that looks like it basked in the warmth of glorious golden rays. At the top, there's a water drop design notch that houses the front-facing camera and the air piece. Like most smartphones in the segment, the side bezels are relatively slim but with a pretty thick chin. Also, there is a pre-installed screen protector. Found at the back are two circular camera modules that house a dual camera setup along with a single LED flash. The two cameras are the 13 megapixel main and the 2 megapixel macro. Given its price and various competition, it's a tough sell, but if you are a casual user looking for a smartphone as your daily grind, you can shortlist this one. The Vivo Y16 is a good and reliable smartphone with its massive internal storage and 5000 mAh battery capacity that comes with 18-watt fast charging feature. However, it lacks the following key features: a powerful processor, a 1080p display, and a better camera. So that is our video. Subscribe this channel must, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.